Hi there. Let's finish the video. So we did replace this Prius battery. I showed you how to put the battery in and tighten it properly and put the strap back on. I wasn't able to find this cover for the battery, so I just found it and line the cover up like this, and you'll find there's a notch in the front of the cover. There's a notch there in the Prius, little notch right there. So you want to put the cover in that notch. Let's do that with one hand into that notch. Okay, push it down gently, and it's kind of now riding on the car. I think it's about done. Okay, let's make sure everything's out of the way here. And the toolbox goes in next. This big tool shelf, I think I left that back here. Big tool tray. Let's grab this thing here. Hopefully nothing fell out of it. Put this tool tray back in. Here's a look at the spare tire tools for the Prius, the jack. Lug nut thing. I'm not sure what that other thing is down there, but that's how the stock tire comes in. Here's a look at the, I think it's the main system connection for the big battery. Anyway, I'm guessing it goes like that. Okay, nope. So there are little nubbies in the front here, little keepers, and those go in the keepers in front here. So line those up. Actually, is that correct? No, it's not. Turn it around again. Goes like that. And here's the access door. So when you're trying to get in your trunk and the battery's dead, there's your access door right there. There's a little piece that goes in there that I gotta find, that I put somewhere, that you can put back in there to access your trunk. There it is right there. So this little part here is for getting into your trunk when the battery's dead. Gonna put the little door back on here now. Looks like it just goes like this. There you go. That's how to get into your trunk and then latch it when the battery's dead. All right. I think we got to put this thing back in here. I'm not sure how that was in here, but if I recall, I had to battle with the sunshade to get into this thing. And then put the rug back in and we're done. So, pull this off. Sunshade goes in here. I guess it's a privacy screen. Goes in like that. Okay, turn it around. And try it like this. That looks pretty darn good. The screen sits on there. And it looks like it's been there because there's a little tap on that. Put this piece back in. There, snaps together, nice and neat. Now it's time for the cover to go back on. So when the battery's dead, you've got to reach back here and pull this stuff out by folding down the back seat, which isn't much fun. Here's the cover. Let's put this back on. Lock these. Now the carpet goes back in. There's the carpet. There it is. And that's it. So you have changed your battery. Congratulations, and you got your Prius back together. Now you can drive and get an ice cream cone or celebrate or get something to drink or get some booze. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.